Is the sky falling on powder coating? Kevin Corson from the Powder Coating Institute reveals what the latest data shows in our specific manufacturing sector. In this year-end wrap-up show, we cover some of the topics his group has addressed and the challenges that lay ahead. We also talk about the upcoming Powder Coating Week. Whether you're a henny penny or a foxy woxy, we're making sure you are covered with everything you need to know so your goose isn't cooked in 2023. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.